Welcome to the place where words come alive.
Let's build a word. Word world. Jump to the beat.
Clap your hands in the air.
Let's build a word. Word world.
We've got friends of every size, building words before our eyes. Nothing's better than a letter. They hold our world together.
With dog and
Pig and sheep, there's always a surprise.
Welcome to our world. Word world. It's a beautiful world.
Pig's Big Moonlight Feast.
It was a very special day in Word World. A day everyone had waited for all year long. Pig's Big Moonlight Feast.
the feast, Pig's Big Moonlight Feast. Let's go, dog. Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Yes, once a year Pig makes a delicious meal for all of his friends to enjoy by the light of the moon.
That means when the moon comes out, we eat.
But Duck, aren't you a little early for the feast? The moon's not up yet.
Oh, Dog and I love to watch Pig make the Moonlight Feast. You got that right, Dog. We like to eat it even more. Oh, dear. Hiya, Aunt. Where's Pig?
That's what I'd like to know. He should be making the food for the feast tonight. Pig, where are you? It's time to start cooking.
Here I am.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure? Maybe you should take a nap.
Take a nap? Well, then who would make the food for the Moonlight Feast? Corn on the cob, sweet potato pie, and everyone's favorite, my fabulous pineapple upside-down cake.
Oh, I just love that cake.
I'm almost finished anyway. I just have to add the C. Ache.
Cake!
Wow, just look at that cake.
Ooh.
I guess that's the upside down part.
You know, Pig, you don't look so good.
To be honest, I am feeling a little sick. I think I might just lie down for a moment.
Uh-oh. I have to get Pig to bed. He's sick.
I guess I'm not going to be able to finish making the food for tonight.
But Pig, we can't have a feast without the food.
The feast must go on.
But how? Who's gonna make the food?
You can do it, Duck.
What? Oh. Quack, quack. That's a good one, Pig. But see, I don't make the food. I eat the food. You see?
Do it for me, Duck.
You're right, dog. I can't let Pig down. I'll save the feast. We'll save the feast. Dog and I will make the Moonlight Feast for all our friends. Quack, quack. All we have to do is, how do we do that?
Well, Pig already started the word foods for the feast. All you have to do is finish them up. See, you have orn, eye, and ache. All you need to do is put the right letter in front of each of these, and we'll have lots of delicious food for the feast. You can do that, Duck.
Oh, sure we can. No problem.
Okay, good. Because I have to get Pig to bed and take care of him. Upsy daisy. Good luck.
Okay, dog. Let's get cooking. Huh? Oh, of course. I almost forgot. Now let's get cooking. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Aunt said this was Orn. So, dog, what letter goes in front of Orn? Huh, a D? Okay, let's try it. Orn. Dorn. Now, come on. Abracadabra. Dorn. Oh, nothing's happening. Dog, give me some more letters. Lorn? Nope. Next letter, dog. Gorn? Next. Horn? Horn! We did it! We did it! Yeah, we just built the word! We did it! We did it! Hey, wait a minute! Dorn, Lorn, Gorn, Horn! Huh, seems like these words sound the same at the end, no matter what letter I put in front.
Excuse me, Duck.
Oh, hi, Mr. Narrator.
That's called rhyming.
That's right, rhyming. Let's do it again. Okay, Aunt said this one is I. Let's see, Phi, Chi, Xi, Rye. This is fun, and that's no lie. Vi, Tie. We made a horn. We made a tie! We got one more word! Oh me, oh my! What's that, dog? How do you eat a tie? With ketchup? Come on, dog. Don't stop me now. I'm rhyming my words, 'cause I know how. Let's go outside. We're not done yet. Just one more word, then we'll be set. All right. Let's make some words for the feast tonight. Let's make some words that'll taste just right. Pass me them letters, dog. All right. What rhymes with ache? There's make or pay or rake. Rake! Hey, we're cooking. I knew we could. In fact, our food looks really good. This is gonna be the best feast ever.
Quack, 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 quack.
Whoa, what's going on out here? Sure sounds like you're having fun.
We sure are, and we made all the words for the feast.
Oh, that's great, guys. Let's see.
All right, here we go. We have horn on the cob, and sweet potato tie, and everyone's favorite pineapple upside down rake.
What? Horn? Tie? Rake? These aren't food words. Oh, the sun is setting. It's almost time for the feast to begin. What is everyone supposed to eat?
Oh, well, I was just so excited that I was building words. I guess I didn't think about whether they were the right words. Oh, what are we going to do?
Well, even though these aren't the food words we need, they still rhyme with them.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Rhyming.
Yes, rhyming will help us fix the feast.
Then I can help.
When you say words that sound the same, you're playing a rhyming game. It's a rhyming game, a rhyming game. It's a game you play with rhyming.
You take the first letter, change it around, you got a brand new word with the very same sound.
Well, let's take the H away from horn, add a C, then we have...
Corn!
Right! Let's take the T away from tie, add a P, now we've got...
Pie!
We're almost there, we're almost done.
The moon, our friends, look, here they come.
Oh, hurry, duck, you go, bird.
That means it's time to build a word. It's time to build a word. Let's build it. Let's build it now. Let's take away the R in rake, add a C, then we have...
Cake!
Yeah, we just built a word. We built it. We built it. We built it.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that cake!
I can tell this is going to be one great feast.
Have to say, it's pretty good, guys.
The feast! You did it!
That's right, Pig. We couldn't let you down.
Oh, I feel so much better.
Oh, come join us.
'Cause this is one delicious cake.
And so, with lots of food and plenty of rhyme, everyone there had a really good time.
Aw, I'm so lucky, Duck. You are such a good friend.
What a perfect way to say the end.